What's up, everybody? It's Ted. The chaos has returned. We just got back late last night from Connecticut, like 1 a.m. And now here we are at the sub load-in at the stadium. Yup, we're back. Another sub load-in. I know people like these videos, I hope. We got a bunch of guys coming in to help. We might be testing some crowd noise today. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Let's see what happens. Look who's the first one here. Oh my God. The new guy's the first one here, dude. Of course. That's how you do it. You'll see what happens today. It's gonna be a tough one.
Nah, it's lifted subs.
Look at this gang of thieves. Look who's back. Look at Doc. Oh man, Shane O'Mac is growing it out, dude. Wow. COVID hair? I love it.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh. What? Oh, it's crooked as hell.
Yes, it is, Ted. Good observation.
We're used to Penske here. We're used to Penske here, dude. Penske's long gone.
They're running.
Yeah, I have to. It's the only, I gotta be low key.
Low key with a you can't strap. You guys with your work. Nope, no straps until we open the gate. Because everything will just roll.
Let's just get it all out.
Get it all out? All right, you got it.
It's not gonna roll, is it?
Oh, it's definitely going to roll, baby.
Oh wow, yeah, it's brutal.
Ready?
You guys ready to earn your money right here? Woohoo!
Yeah, baby.
Let's get him.
Here, I'm gonna go to the side. Somebody operate that lift gate.
Steve, you got good sleep?
Shut up.
Right. We got back late.
Whoa, that's a heavy tree.
No, I just overslept, so I feel like shit.
Oh, look at the strength.
I told you, baby, these muscles ain't for show.
They don't call him McMuffin for nothing.
Are we doing 2 or 1?
We'll do 2.
Hey, the 2002 call?
Hell yeah.
2002 call with these? Oh, whoa, heads up. Come on. All right.
Yep.
Well, look at Robbie V, the strength.
Apparently 200,000 years ago, Cole, had developed brains.
Okay, are one of these supposed to be naked? Because this one's naked from the grotto. It never had a bag.
Had a bag.
But that's at the grotto then. All right.
Had a bag.
Jim?
It's probably in the shop on the shelf.
Jim told me it wasn't me. Oh, Johnny Piz, I haven't seen him in ages. How's club life, man?
Dead.
It's back, right? Oh, it's dead?
Oh yeah, they open that.
It smells like a club in here. I like it.
What does that mean?
No, it just has that like scent. Wait, what did I miss?
You know that scene in Jurassic Park when what's his face gets out of the Jeep and he's like fumbling with his glasses? It's like looking over there like
It's Jurassic Park. No, these are great subs. Yeah. Superman. Super McMuffin. Oh, there he is. Three flights up. Here we go again. Let's see how it goes. We got the Almighty with us. So, going all the way up. Robbie B, how you feeling?
Feeling alright, what's up? Huh?
Nice view, right?
Triple Scataway is not bad.
Stretching, right? Getting ready.
You know?
Anyway, stretching him out.
Hernias out here.
1, 2, 3, come on!
What, shifts? Or people take over? Oh yeah, didn't we do it that one year? We took over from like a certain floor.
Yeah, that way you're not like.
Yeah.
That was his idea. Down the bottom.
Smart idea.
Yeah, Feeney's is fucking genius, man.
That's why he's Mr. Feeney. Classic.
The bald heads, dude. Half an egg carter.
Robbie B's being a hero. Let's see.
I'm willing to go with you, but I want the top half. That's fine. Okay.
Wow.
At least try it. Ready? Yep. Might be easier with another person, but since I'm struggling. Why'd you do this whole side? Like, kind of lit up.
2 in the front, 1 in the back. That's how we do. Here we are. What's going on at the field down there? On to side 2.
They can't tell the difference.
What's up, everybody? To prove that I am strong, I'm gonna do one. Wow, that's rare. Strength beyond strength, vulgar display of power. You know it. All right, come on, Cowboys from hell, bro. Or am I wrong?
Teddy f***ing doing work.
Hey!
For a change.
So I don't know where the pisser is. I got piss bad, dude. Whoa! This mask does smell lemony. I love it.
You're just fucking. It's in your head.
Who came up with this? This is a good idea.
Beanie. Off to the great unknown.
On my back.
Your screen turned off.
My beak.
I think it
My
died.
beak. No, it's going. My back, dude.
When?
How do you do this? How do you guys do this?
When?
Look at these guys, man. Look, Muffin, he's got guns, dude. Feeney, he's got brains and guns. Well, both these guys do. His shirt is fitting. Unleash the beast. Two guys on the back.
It's hitting the back of my knees too much. Oh shit! Trip up the stairs, why don't you? That when I get to that end, and we'll get them both up together.
Feel good to be back?
Yeah.
Well, somewhat.
Feels great to be lifting heavy things again. Until tomorrow.
Once again, waiting on Kay. Come on, Kay, where the heck is he?
You know.
He's up there twiddling his thumbs or something. Who knows what he's doing over there? Got the guys down there waiting. Steve! Still waiting on Kay, right? Yeah. Everyone's excited when LeBron shows up. LeBron's here, Robbie.
Yeah.
Oh, trippy.
And then you just go into the red cord in the front.
Oh, Foley. Okay, got it.
That's it. Channel 1 does 2 subs of each head. So from there, 1, 2.
Welcome
From there, 1, 2.
to Jurassic Park.
Alright.
I love Steve and Deacony twiddling their themes. That's Steve and Deacony twiddling.
We gotta have this all happening by 1 o'clock the time.
You gotta hump him.
Something?
Is that a Steve I see? What's he doing here? Oh, Steve, do me a favor because I'm too Elsie. Change the... I'm out of breath. Change that 1XLR to 76. I told you that you're gonna get roped in.
I didn't even have to do the subload in, so it's not bad.
Oh yeah, you missed out on it. But what do you think of this, Steve? What's your views?
I love sports.
You do? You're a hockey HK fan now.
Yeah,
Did
but
they
I
have
like
pipe?
football.
Did they have fake noise there?
Yeah, they did. They piped it in.
That's what we're doing right here. We'll see how we do it. Sorry, Robbie B. I knew it would happen.
What?
Told you last night, roped in, but it's almost over.
I got roped in almost immediately.
Yeah, you did.
Well, he got out easy because he didn't do the subs. Robbie B led the subs, and him. He did the subs, and
It's all good.
Were they heavy?
not too bad.
I like Kay to remember who helps out when...
Yeah, that's what he said, dude.
No, I mean the other amp. Yeah. Okay.
This is how we do. Getting it done. You're about to hear some sound effects, boys. It's gonna be fun. You know I love sound effects. Different kinds of sound effects. Like this. And like this. and like this. But we're gonna do some crowd noise today. Love it, dude. Hell yeah.
Hit it again.
I love it.
Hail Mary.
Full of grace. Oh, let's hear him from the center. Oh, it's pretty good, dude.
It's better than I thought it was.
Yeah.
Okay, sound. We won't stop until you're impressed.
Sounds pretty good, right, Robbie B?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, not bad, dude. Not even that phasey. I love it.
Even if it was, it's not.
Yeah, it's
Crowd noise.
Yeah, it's crowd noise.
It can be phasey.
Yeah. What about the volume, you think? What's he at?
Oh, he's got lots.
Oh, he does, yeah, because it's decent now. This would be the regular, like, in between everything noise, I guess, or I don't even know.
I think that's the murmur.
Yeah, murmur.
That's called the murmur. Yeah. And,
It works.
It's just gonna run, and then you trigger some shit, and it's like.
So what do you think, Steve? You like it?
Sounds great. You're gonna have all teeth in my shoe.
Yeah, you're gonna have turf.
I'm gonna have teethy shoe.
I'd say let's race him, but it's a little hot out, and like we'll be like dead by the time we get to the.
What? You need help?
Send help. This ain't shit to Robbie B, the rock climber. Look at him. Oh man, look at Steve, the Almighty. I'm out of breath. Send help.
Look at him.
Oh. Here's how we're doing the crowd noise for the empty stadium games. SRXs all around, plus the main PA. The grays are hidden by gray right there. There's the gray. And most of them are red, s8e. Looking nice. Steve's got nothing to say.
Pretty self-explanatory, isn't it?
Can you see E? Is that E? That's K with his mask on, I saw him.
It's coming only from the field speakers, not from the soundboard.
About to hear some of our subs. Those Vertec subs. Let's hear him. JBL still firing, bro. Got Steve reading right next to me.
Doing my research.
Steve, what are you looking at down there?
Look,
What?
your box is down there.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, look.
Oh, location E. Oh, I must have did he. I think he did he. Yep, that's E.